Hey, this is Sammy Chimona Hihi Alayubi from the Eagle One development team, and I'm excited to show you first gameplay footage of our new game mode called SpeedDial. This is built for s&box using the Source 2 engine, and you're going to be able to see some gameplay between the developers of the Eagle One development team, taking a look at a game that is really looking to take advantage of the multiplayer capabilities of this platform to be able to give you something that's quick and easy to jump into and a lot of fun to play. I hope you guys enjoyed this first look at it. You should hopefully be able to get it by the first week of July. And we're hoping to be able to push this out to s&box so that others can join in on the fun. All right, go ahead and enjoy the video. There we go. Double.
The song is already iconic for me.
Stop sound as one word, Josh.
Oh, that
Yeah,
ricochet.
Stop. It definitely works.
Oh, SV cheat stop sound ignored.
What?
Remote, can you type stop sound in your channel clip?
And
no,
mine.
that won't work on your end.
I'm just gonna set the volume to 0.
That works.
Oh, double kill.
I just wait.
Yeah, you can hear me like in the background frantically rushing to mute, deafen myself.
It's like me going, why did you do
Oh.
that?
Yeah, but your accent is so fucking clear there, it's insane.
I don't have an accent. Fuck you. Yeah. I mean, the room clear is a shotgun.
Well, I'm
It
pretty
only
sure I
spawns on the
just
weapon
threw
spawn.
2 weapons. Oh, double kill. Nice. Alright.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so edit out the parts where we say that we have strong ties to the President of the United States of America.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fuck me, generic. You
Ah.
adding the kill, like who killed you, is fuck me.
Not too bad, yeah.
I'm getting mad, bro. He's dominating me. I don't like it. Oh shit. Okay, it is fun. I think is Eagle One development team as long as a Steam name?
No, it can be longer. But Shimona, why don't you just like, switch to Shimona?
Eagle One?
Because when I post on the workshop, it'll be under
Yeah,
Shimona.
but it'll.
Oh, I just got 2 revenges.
Yeah, I guess, but that's so weird.
Oh my god. Look at this fucking score. 8100. Maria
Oh, by the way,
overpowered.
By the way, Shimona and everybody, I pushed an update to the asset repository.
Oh, sweet.
New materials and shit.
Oh,
How did you not die, generic?
I died. I got fucking mowed down by Shimona before anyone else.
God.
Oh, well, how was I thought I died.
The ricochet is so fucking sweet.
Oh, fuck, I got you. I need to do one where I check if the other one is dead and give you, like, extra points if you get a kill after you die.
Fucking back from the grave or some shit as text.
Oh, you punched me. Wow.
I don't know how I made it. Oh,
Oh my god, you're
I'm-
dominating me with the
I'm good
fucking...
now.
Gotcha. Oh, yes. Oh, dude, poppin'.
Oh yeah, I didn't add anything. I just updated the repository.
Okay. Yeah, I thought you added a new shit.
Yeah,
I
I
am-
like ported an entire asset pack by myself, and I completely went against your file organization, so it's just everywhere. I hope you don't mind. Yeah.
I've gotta go. I've gotta go.
What the?
Oh, I threw the gun at you like a fucking... Bro, I know gun kata.
Alright. That thingy should work now. I cleaned it up a bit and I realized why Josh, like, why it was kind of broken and why you had to do the extra underscore seed thing. Why is there a license in here? Did you put this under MIT license?
I'm not gonna lie,
that
this is
like
the most fun I've had in a video game in a while. Oh no! It crashed!
Oh wait, no, that's Windows Forms, isn't it?
Oh no, it crashed! I was doing so good. No, dude, we were just fucking distraught. Oh, that was so much fun.
What happened?
It gave the crash of death. Generic's not in here, it's fine. 1-on-1.
Oh. Okay, excellent. Bro, just like GoldenEye.
Yeah.
That's
Good
kind of
old
the
days.
thing your team is known for.
Oh no.
Oh,
Got me. Gotcha.
oh, bro, this is like John Wick, the video game.
Boom. It's just something satisfying about the controls already.
Yeah, probably. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm gonna kill you now. I'm coming. Damn it. Okay.
I've been practicing. I made the map. I know where everything is.
Oh. Yeah, I have to be sneakier then.
You coded it, but I made the map.
Oh, I'm bad at this game. Oh, okay. I guess not. Bro, this game's great.
I'm actually having a lot of fun. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I got revenge. Whoa.
Oh.
Fuck. I said I'm good at this game, man. Okay, maybe not. Wasn't there somebody else in here? Oh no.
No, there was
Who was
generic.
pointing?
Oh, come on, generic, get in here. Come on, doctor, get in here. This is fun.
Oh,
Wow.
Gmo, you here?
Oh, you put one of those spawns way
yeah,
too
I'm
close to the polvo.
Oh, you spawn like right on top of it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, you start on some Pablo. Oh, I like the music here. Alright, fist fight. Oh!
I brought a fist to a gunfight.
Damn it, that shotgun's nasty. Gotcha.
Oh,
I don't know how to feel when I pick up the bat. I'm like, yes, something to throw at you. I don't know if I've ever really tried to hit someone with it.
it's funny because the bat we gotta look into it, but what if it's in the bat throws like so weird? You just have like a Three Stooges Looney Tunes moment in my gun game.
Oh, dude, I went like flying off the Oh my god, I sometimes go too fast for my own good with Pablo.
that's the point of it, I think. Like,
No, you sold it well, because I'm like, I'm out of control.
yeah, exactly.
Like, sometimes I run into bullet fire with it, I swear. You know what's great though is like I'm already trying to develop like a strategy for like how I play the game. Oh, did our weapons just collide? Did they just collide? They fucking collided in midair! Holy shit!
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Holy shit, that was like out of an anime.
Oh, there we go.
Oh no.
That's what oh, let's see, Josh win this time? I'm calling bullshit.
Oh man.
I'm calling bullshit.
You came
Oh
up
no, it's not even close. It's not even
you
close.
came up with the
Oh,
scoring system. Oh, like the click 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 click.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, here
That
we go.
way, like, people will know, like, they tried to fire at you but had to throw.
Oh, that has been killing shit.
Oh my
four.
god, I'm coming after you, Shimona. There we go. Ow.
Yeah, I like the fact that throwing the weapon is a totally viable strategy, though. Oh, that was amazing.
That was. That was.
I'm
This is
pretty
where the
sure you
back
hit me.
This is why the. Oh no, stop. You're scaring me, bro.
I'm trading for the world.
You left alive. You were just having a day, huh? Oh,
There's like strategy already.
okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, damn. Dude, the ricochet bullets are nasty.
Now you're just cheating. Okay, I got
I've got a strategy, Josh. I've got a meta.
yeah, I see you. I see the meta.
It's developing. There's gonna be guides written. I've got you cornered. Come out.
You don't have infinite ammo.
Oh shit! I'm out of ammo. Ah.
Oh.
Oh, we got each other.
Oh. Damn, that's bullshit.
Damn.
That's bullshit.
I
It wasn't even close. It wasn't even close.
That's some good game.